Welcome to where we bring you the best home decor inspiration. In today's video, we're diving into simple yet impactful tips to create an elegant home that exudes style. Your dining room is more than just a place to eat, it's where style meets functionality, and where design sets the mood for unforgettable gatherings. Whether you prefer sleek minimalism, bold statement pieces, or a cozy yet modern feel, today's dining room trends are all about creating a space that's both stylish and inviting. In this video, we'll explore the latest modern dining room ideas and trends to help you transform your home into a sophisticated and welcoming space. In comfort. Whether you're revamping your space or starting fresh, these ideas will transform your home into a haven of sophistication. 1. Minimalist elegance. A key trend in modern dining rooms is minimalist elegance. Clean lines, neutral tones, and uncluttered spaces create a refined yet effortless look. Consider a sleek dining table with slim, sculptural chairs, and a simple yet striking centerpiece. A monochrome palette with subtle textures can enhance the sophistication of your space while keeping it warm and inviting. 2. Statement lighting. Lighting is no longer just functional, it's an art form. Bold, sculptural lighting fixtures serve as the focal point of modern dining rooms. Pendant lights, oversized chandeliers, or geometric designs in brass, black, or matte gold add a touch of luxury while defining the atmosphere of your space. Opt for dimmable lighting to adjust the ambience for different occasions. 3. Mixing materials for depth. The modern dining room embraces a mix of materials to add texture and contrast. Combine wood with metal, glass with marble, or soft upholstery with sleek finishes. A wooden dining table paired with velvet chairs, or a marble top complemented by metal accents, can create a dynamic yet cohesive aesthetic that feels contemporary and inviting. 4. Earthy and natural tones. Earthy, nature-inspired color palettes are making waves in modern dining room design. Shades of warm beige, soft terracotta, deep green, and rich browns create a cozy and organic feel. Pair these tones with natural wood finishes, woven textures, and ceramic accents to enhance the warmth and character of your space. 5. Open concept dining. For a seamless, modern open-plan layout, integrate your dining space with the kitchen or living area. Use area rugs, lighting, or stylish dividers like glass partitions to define the dining zone while maintaining an airy and spacious feel. Open concept dining fosters a more social and connected environment, perfect for entertaining. 6. Bold accent walls and artwork. A striking accent wall or curated artwork can elevate the look of a modern dining room. Consider textured wall panels, bold wallpaper, or a gallery wall featuring abstract or contemporary pieces. A well-chosen artwork above the dining table can serve as a visual anchor, adding personality and depth to your space. 7. Luxurious table settings. The finishing touch to any modern dining room is an elegantly curated table setting. Choose stylish dinnerware, statement glassware, and chic centerpieces like sculptural vases, fresh flowers, or candles to create a refined yet welcoming tablescape. Layering textures and materials enhances the overall aesthetic, making even casual dining feel special. A modern dining room blends style, comfort, and functionality to create a space that feels both elegant and inviting. Whether you embrace minimalism, bold design elements, or natural textures, the key is to create a setting that reflects your personal style while enhancing the overall flow of your home. Which of these modern dining room trends is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.